Hey everybody, I'm going to try to do this quick little video for you so you can see how to use the extras that are included in this file download. I'm signed into my Cricut Design Space and I've already downloaded and unzipped the folder for the Tropical Sunset Bundle, and I'm going to go and upload the blank sun circle. There it is. And I'm going to make this 10 inches exactly. You don't have to do that. That's up to you. And you want to make sure you ungroup everything before you bring anything else in to work on. Then we're going to go to upload, and I'm going to upload the palm tree silhouette that is under the extra folder. And let me make this. Pardon the snoring, that would be my dog. She's laying underneath my desk right now, snoring away. So I'm going to leave these are grouped to begin with. These palm trees, it's two pieces, and I want to leave that grouped together. Let's see, I think I'll put that right there, kind of off to the side. Okay, now you can, once you get them sized and where you want them, then you can ungroup. And you're going to turn off this black silhouette file. And the pink, this ugly pink that you see, that is actually the knockout file. So we're going to select that, and we have to slice every single other piece that it touches. So we're going to select the bottom one first and hit slice. Then I'm going to select the pink again and hit the next color and slice it. Pink again, the rust color, slice it. You have to really pay attention to all the colors that it touches. Like this one, it barely touches it, but if you don't, it's not going to cut that out. We're going to slice that. Alright, now that you've sliced all those, we can delete the pink. And then we can go back and delete each of the colored pieces. Looks like I missed a little pink there. Okay, so now you've got that all cut out. We're going to go back over here and find the palm tree silhouette, the one I had you turn off, and we're going to turn that on, and it should be exactly in its proper place, the right size and everything. So that's how that works. Now let's put some words in here. Let's do Spring Break 2021. So you need to go to the extra folder again, and I put anywhere from like 3 to 5 words in each file just to make it easier. So, excuse me, you'll just have to find the words that you want. You may have to use words out of 2 different file folders, but alright, I've got Spring Break in this one, so we're going to upload that. And I'm going to get it completely off the design. Let me see if I can minimize, because I don't want to accidentally touch something else. So we need to ungroup this because we don't need all these words. The only thing I want is Spring Break. We're going to get rid of those. And that is grouped together, it looks like. No, maybe it isn't. So let's select both of those and group, because you want to keep them together while you're sizing and positioning them. That way you get a perfect position and size on your silhouette when you delete the pink part. So let's go back over here, and I'm going to move that up. Let's do I think I'll like it right there. Okay, now you can ungroup that, And you'll see that your black letters are still grouped together, so we're going to turn that off again. And we're going to select the pink and anything that it touches, and we're going to slice. Now you'll see this will happen sometimes. You'll see that half of that went behind the orange. That's okay. Let's go ahead and get rid of this for right now. I'll show you how we're going to fix that. Alright, so come back here and select that pink layer, and up here at the top under Arrange, you're going to click on Send to Front. Now you have it where it needs to be to slice that part. Whoops. I'm going to hit Control Z because I think I just moved that a little bit. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to select the orange, slice. I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, now you can come back over here to Spring Break and turn it on. And there you can see it fits properly where it belongs. So let's go get some numbers. That is also under the extra files. Alright, so we're going to insert our numbers. And make sure you move them off of the design. You're going to ungroup. And we don't need all these, so I'm going to get rid of the ones I don't want. We're going to need 2 2s, so I'm going to duplicate that. And I'm going to make this say 2021. You don't have to worry about alignment because we're going to fix that right now. So I'm going to select them all. Come up here to Align, and I'm going to align them to the top. That looks pretty good. You can also do like a horizontal distribution. That to me looks like that one needs to go over just a hair. Alright, for right now we're going to group these because we want to size and place them. So we got to keep it together. So that looks good right about there. Now we're going to ungroup. Now if you look on the numbers, each one of these numbers is grouped together with the knockout and the silhouette. So we have to ungroup each one of these. And now I'm going to go back and select just the black numbers. And we're going to group that. And we're going to turn it off. Now I'm going to select all of the ugly pink numbers. And we're going to group and weld. Now that's one solid piece. So we need to select that and any color that it touches and slice. Select the pink, the rust, slice. Now I can come over here and I can delete these. That one pink one is kind of behind there, but I got it. And we're going to delete the slice out of the colors. And now I can come back over here to the group that I had you turn off and turn that back on, and it's in perfect position. So now you can go through and you can select all your black and attach that and go to your Make It. But I just wanted you to see how you could use the extras that I included in this download to slice out and have, you know, a little bit of a gap there. That's where the shirt will show through on the design if you choose to do it that way. So that's it. I hope you enjoy your purchase, and thanks for watching my video.